Yeah, hi. In this tutorial we'll be learning purchase entry, ledger creation, group identification, stock item creation, stock group creation and units of measure. Now we'll solve this invoice in our purchase. Let's enter into the tally. We have to go to accounting voucher, and then for purchase I have to press F9 for the purchase. I already pressed. Now this screen has to be appear. If this screen is not appear, so it will be as voucher over here. And I have to click as invoice, so it has to be on invoice format. Now we'll start our invoice. I will solve our problem. Now this is the invoice. That is of 1st April 2020, and the invoice number is 01234. You can check it over here. This is our invoice number. And then afterwards the next thing that we require that is party name. Now party name is Raju Seth Bhandar. I will just type it RAJU. The party name will not come because party name we need to create, because tally will, because there will be so many parties name in our business, so all the party name will be created. We need to create. Now for that we need to create a ledger. Without ledger we cannot do the entry in our tally software. So in the party name we need to press Alt C is the shortcut to create a ledger. So I just create a ledger by the name Raju Seth Bhandar. Alas, I will keep it blank. Now Raju Seth Bhandar will be whom I am purchasing. If I am purchasing from someone, in future I need to pay to that person. So the business whom I need to pay, the business need to pay, that person will be sundry creditor. So Raju Seth Bhandar will be my sundry creditor because I am purchasing, so I need to pay to that person. So the person whom I need to pay, that person will be sundry creditor in my business. Now this maintain balance bill, I will just keep it no as of now, and press enter. And the address you need to type it 040 near Point Building, Main Chowk. 040 near Point Building, Main Chowk, Churu, India, Rajasthan. Pin code 30 2005. Provide bank details no, PAN ID no, company regular, GST number is there 08 ABCDE 1234, 08 ABCDE 1234 R1Z1. Enter. Press yes. Again enter over here. Then purchase ledger, we had come onto the tab that is purchase ledger. Now here also you need to create a ledger over here. Now how to create a ledger over here? You need to press Alt C. I had pressed over here Alt C, and here I am creating a ledger by the name purchase. Now here I have to create purchase, that will be at the rate 0%, or I have to create purchase exempt. Better create by the name purchase exempted, and press enter, and this will go under purchase. I am typing over here purchase account. Press enter. This it's my goods I am supplying. Then here also press enter. and here you can put her HSN details over here. I'll just clicking on escape and I'll show you. Set alter GST details, you can press here over here and put her GST details, and here it will ask you HSN number. What is the HSN number? 1209. Click here exempt, enter. Now it will ask you for the name of the item. Now name of the item is what? Jeera seed. Now for that also you need to create a ledger. Press Alt C, Jeera seed, enter. Now this will, here also you need to create a group of stock items. You need to press Alt C. Here you will create GST at the rate 00%. Enter. Now units also you need to create over here. Alt C. Now what is units? It is Jeera seed is in kg, so the units of measurement is in kg. So the symbol is kgs and the name is kilogram, and here IQ also UQC also is kilogram. Press enter. Already we had put our HSN number, that is 1209. Enter. On value, this is exempt. Goods, enter. So how much is the quantity? 10. How much is the rate? 230. Amount has come. Now the second item is Taramira TMT oil. Again you need to press Alt C, TARA, Taramira TMT oil. Enter. GST at the rate already I have created 0%. Now this is in what? Liter. So Alt C, LTR will be the symbol, and LITER, liter. And here also KLR, kiloliter, you need to type it. Press enter. You can put here your HSN number, that is 1209 is your HSN number. On value, exempt, enter. Now how much is the liter? 5 liter. How much is the rate? 450. Enter. 4550. Your purchase is ready. Your purchase entry is ready. Now press enter, and press Y, it will save it. So in this way we had created this invoice. Now we'll create one more purchase invoice over here. So we can start from here, the invoice. To create an invoice, the date we had put 1st April. Then invoice number is 01455. Party name is what? Khan Crop Limited. So you need to press Alt C to create a ledger. Khan Crop Limited. Khan Crop Limited, we are purchasing something, so in future we need to pay. So this will go under sundry creditors. Press enter. What is the party address? Near Elphinstone Road, Jaipur. Near Elphinstone Road, Jaipur. Press enter. Country is India. Pin code is what? 302020. We have GST number. You can type our GST number also if we have. Yes, we have 08AA double BC 147 8R1Z 8R 1ZZ 1ZC. Enter, enter, enter. Then again you press enter, enter, enter. Now here already ledger has been created of purchase, so press enter. You did not have to create again if it is already created. Now here the stock item I need to create, that is Surpass 7007, all C, SURPASS 7007. Stock item, this is GST under 0%. Now this is how much it is in pieces, so I need to create units, that is Alt C. Anything that you need to create, you need to press Alt C, that is the ledger creation. So this is symbol is PCS, PIECES, pieces. Enter, enter. GST set all, like I have to all put the HSN code over here. HSN code is what? 1209. Enter. On value, exempt goods. Enter, enter. Quantity is how much? Surpass is 15 piece. Already the pieces will come. The rate is 410. 6000. Piece 410. So this is 6150. In the invoice it is wrong. Then we have Jeera seed, that is 8 kg, and the rate is 230. So the total amount is 7990. So in this way we have generated two purchase entry over here, two invoice we have created of purchase. Your purchase invoice is ready. So it's very simple. Now we have to keep in mind, I have written over here the thing. First, in purchase entry we need to create a ledger, we need to create a group identification. Here the group identification, we have done under purchase exempted. Then stock item creation, here Surpass and Jeera Seed stock item creation we have done. Stock group creation, under which group we need to put in, tax at the rate 0%. And then units of measure, whether it is in kg or whether it is in pieces or whether it is in liters. So this everything you need to keep in the mind. So I have just written the highlights, what we have done over here. I hope you have understood. You can pause and you can do it by step by step, and you can do various exercise. I'll just put in the in my description, and I'll give you other various exercise also to do it. Thank you.